In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I run a seven-figure business on Amazon just with my laptop, and we are going to go straight into product research. Like literally, I'm on my laptop, right? I'm in Tokyo right now in my hotel room, and I'm going to show you how I do product research, right? I've been doing this for the last couple of days. We're going to act like I haven't skipped a couple of days because I was enjoying Tokyo. But we're going to go straight into it, right? It's day 10, I think, of finding products every single day. And to do this, we're going to use what I call my target list, okay? So that's something that you can get actually for like $1 right now. You can get started with $1. You go to oalist.com. I'm going to put the link in the description, and you can get my target list for $1. It's the list where there's all the sales that we actually source for online arbitrage, right? So you'll get this list every single day in your email. I've been doing that for like 1 year, right? And people have been receiving it. People have had great success with it, and I'm going to show you how we're going to work it to find one quick win from a website that's had a sale today. So if you don't understand what it is, it's just like pretty much all the sales that are going on today that are new sales that are going on today, right? So we're gonna look at, do we want to look at Macy's? Maybe not. I want to look like, ideally I'd like to look at clearance. But yeah, there's one clearance, but on Bare Cities I don't really care. Gap has 40% off quality clothing for the family. We're going to look at that. Boom. Let me open this up. Boom. Here we go. Let's look at Gap and let's see what's going on Gap. Oh, but it's Gap.com. Okay, it's not the Gap Factory website. That's one thing that we can look at. What else do we have? But if we have a good sale right here, I mean, probably mean that we have a better sale on gapfactory.com. Let's see. I'll let it load and let's see what else we can find. Yeah, exactly. 50 to 70% of everything and extra 10% off on sale. So what I'm going to do, I know that they have a sale right now. So I'm going to go straight into the Keeper Product Finder, right? And I'm going to go to brand, boom, and is one of Gap. I'm going to look for Gap product, right? If you do not understand what the Keeper Product Finder is, it's a tool that allows you to filter the database of product on Amazon, pretty much, right? And so I'm going to filter the database of products for Gap products that Amazon is not selling, right? And there are 66,000 products, so we can probably find something, right? And we're going to sort them by how fast they've been selling in the last 30 days. Boom, here we go. Let's click one more time. And okay. So we do have some stuff that is interesting. So no, we definitely have stuff that sells more than 100 times a month. Wait, that's, I'm pretty sure something is wrong here. Let me go back here. Boom, brand, Gap. Let's look for Gap product. And let's go back here where Amazon is out of stock. Boom, no, 44,000 products, and we don't have stuff selling more than 100 times a month. Something is wrong here. Yeah, something is probably wrong here, but that's fine. That looks kind of interesting. 100 times a month, basic product, right? Whenever you source, you want to go straight for basic products. You don't want to look for complicated products. So this is kind of a basic product, random hoodie, right, for men, light hater gray. So we're going to go straight for men hoodies. Let me look at the zip up hoodies, sweatshirt and sweatpants. Is it going to be in sweaters? I think so. Let's see. And we can get an extra 20% off when we sign up for emails. It's not going to be in here, so let me go to zip up. Boom. Let's try to find it. For men, right here. 29. We need to get the light header gray. That's great. Wait, let me see. Is it this one? It is this one. Perfect. Okay, now we just need to manufacture our margins. Okay, so to do this, same thing, I'll put the link in the description. You can actually get this spreadsheet if you want to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pretty much look at how I can get the product cheaper. So we already get a 20% coupon, right? Is this a clearance? I don't know. You get an extra 60% off. But okay, so we're just going to use the 20% welcome coupon, right? So $29.99, we get 20% coupon, right? So 20% coupon. Now, I'm going to look on Card Bear to try to figure out if I can get some gift cards. I know that you can get some good gift cards on Gap Factory. We can get 19.5% off on Card Center. So I'm going to use that gift card, 19.5, boom, and we get this for, is it $29.99? $29.99. The good thing is that a lot of the time you can stack up coupons on Gap, which is a good thing. But I'm not going to give you too much sauce on sourcing Gap. We get these for $19.59. Boom, it's profit, right, at 35, whatever. We can sell up to, like, to be honest, 35.99. We can probably sell at 38.99, like this guy. And at 35.99 actually, it's gonna be a little bit better. So yeah, at 35.99, like it's selling right now, yeah, 35.99, we're gonna make $3.12 profit, right, per piece that we sell. So here we go. You have your profitable product for today. Yeah, you saw how easy it is. Go to olist.com to get your target list, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.